Hey there, everybody. Welcome to the Pop-Up Studio. It's me, Matthew Reinhardt. I'm a pop-up book creator, a children's book author, and illustrator. And I want to welcome you to my studio. Welcome you to my channel. It's almost Halloween, okay? Oh, by the way, everybody, thank you for your wonderful birthday wishes. My birthday was last week. It's great. I'm older, but holding it together, right? And I'm happy, and I get to share stuff with you. So let's get to making some Halloween crafts. Okay, what did I make today? Oh, just this little pumpkin. Isn't it so cute? Oh, we made this paper craft pumpkin, but I wonder it becomes a Halloween scarecrow. Look at that. It's really, really cute. This little craft, his whole body can go inside. So first it starts out as a nice jack-o'-lantern, or you can surprise somebody, turn it around and pull them out and hang them up. Or her, or whatever, however you're gonna decorate it. But look at that, isn't that fun and cute? I just thought it'd be fun to make something. And it's got even these like little, look at these like collapsible legs. They're almost like those paper rings that you use for like Christmas garlands on trees and things like that. So we're gonna make this really cute Halloween scarecrow together. It's super easy, just 2 pieces of cardstock are all you need, any color. I used orange and sort of a brown, but you can use any other color. And this is for decorating, so this is later on. But let's get started. All right, so we printed out both of the templates onto different pieces of colored cardstock. I used orange and a little beige here. We also need some other tools. We're gonna need a ruler. We're gonna need something to score our lines. I use like knitting needle. You can use a large paper clip. See, a cutting tool like this X-Acto knife. You can use scissors too. Some glue, just some regular old glue like Elmer's glue, and a quarter. We need that, some sort of heavy coin. So let's start to score, and we're gonna score all the lines. What we do is along all the dotted lines. Those are all the fold lines. So make sure that you press into the paper with your scoring tool. Not so much that it cuts the paper, but so that it makes it easier for all these pieces to be folded. And now let's get to cutting. Now I use a X-Acto knife, so be real careful with that, because I've cut myself actually twice this week because I wasn't paying attention. So pay attention. So we're gonna cut out all these pieces, and we're gonna make our scarecrow. And let's start with the pumpkin head. So it's really easy. We're pre-folding all the scored lines. And see, now, look what I told you. See, once you score all those lines, it's so much easier. So let's get started with the body of our scarecrow. And these are really, really simple. Do you remember making paper rings or whatever, paper garlands on a Christmas tree? That's what the legs are made of. So we just kind of roll one of these little strips in, put some glue on the tip, and glue it over onto itself just like that. And I'll let you guys gauge how big you want your little rings, each one of these rings for the garland. So we're making just rings of paper. They're gonna be the legs, and so we're gonna make those so our scarecrow is easier to, sort of collapse into the pumpkin. Okay, there we go, there's 2. Okay, so we got the 2 on each side, and we got 1 more each on each side. So look at that, isn't that cute? Now this is the left. These are the lowest rings on the legs, and we have to slip our long strip that's used for the rings through these slits. Strip through the slits. So see how they've been pushed through the base of this round circular piece? So now we're going to slip this into the ring, and then we're going to glue it to itself, just like before. So we're attaching those pieces of the ring together and attaching them to each leg, just like that. Oh, this is so fun. This is such a cute little craft. I love it. Okay, so there's the little ring legs. I'm gonna make sure the waist folds. So there you go. There it's attached to the base. And we're gonna use our little coin here. That's gonna make it just a little bit heavier. And we're gonna just stick the coin in the middle here. And then we're just gonna tape it down. There's a little tape, just like that. Then we're just gonna put some glue all the way around. And then we're just gonna glue this on top. You could also glue it the other way if you really wanted, so that the coin was on the back side, so you could take it off if you, hey, look, we've all been there. We need an extra 25 cents for something. We gotta get that. So it's stored in there. But anyways, that's gonna give our little scarecrow some weight on the base. This craft was inspired by The Nightmare Before Christmas, Pop-Up Holiday Worlds, a new book from Inside Editions and Reinhardt Pop-Up Studios. Explore the domain of the Pumpkin King in this stunning paper craft display by world-renowned pop-up book creator, me, Matthew Reinhardt. Then scream with delight as the scene magically transforms into the joyful holiday world of Sandy Claus in Christmas Town. You are cordially invited to explore 2 of the most beloved holiday worlds of old and new in this intricately detailed pop-up town tour. The Nightmare Before Christmas Pop-Up Holiday Worlds is available everywhere, in brick and mortar bookstores, in online bookstores like Amazon and Target and Barnes & Noble, or you can even go directly to the source at insighteditions.com. There'll be links down below if you're interested, and I hope you have a spooky holiday season. Ooh, back to the craft. Let's make our Scarecrow's head, and it's a pumpkin, so we're gonna add this piece right here, this little tab here, and there's that gray area that shows glue this here, so we're gonna glue it in place. There we go. And I mainly separated that piece because there wasn't enough room on the paper. So it's basically just a pentagon, and all these sides are built off of it. So we're just gonna build these tabs, and they glue directly to the flower piece next. So each petal kind of glues to itself. It's like petals of a pumpkin. Let's glue all these tabs together. So those are the lower part of the pumpkin that we've glued. Now let's do the upper edge here. And then we're just gonna glue these tabs to the angle right next to it. See how it glues like that? We thought this would be a much easier way to make our pumpkin rather than make it trying to be super realistic. We thought, this is a much easier way to do it. So we'll glue these tabs. I love little fun paper crafts that do something, like in this one does something. So there we are, we have our pumpkin, that's the head. It's all built. Look at that. That's gonna be the front right there. Whoops, there it goes. All right, now we've gotta get this piece through. So how do we do that? Well, we're gonna fold, this is gonna go through that slit on the top of the pumpkin, and we need to fold them so that they go through that slit. See that right there? It's gonna go through that slit. That's the stem of our pumpkin, and it goes through, goes down to the bottom. And then this piece here is gonna go through the opposite way, and we're gonna glue it to that stem piece as well. It's just gonna give it some strength. So we've got one side went in from the inside, and this side goes in from the outside. And we just fold in our little tabs, goes right in. Make sure that these two line up together, and we need to put a little glue on one of them, just like that. Then we press it, there it is. So we really just wanted to make that extra strong there. That's really the main reason for that. Okay, so now we have our body and our head, and it's all built. Look at that, it's all built. And see, now watch, it folds up and goes all inside our pumpkin, and then fits right on top. So it looks like, when you first look at it, it looks like a pumpkin, but then we can pull it open, and what's inside? Whoa! And what's really cool is that stem on the top, you can hang it so that you can hang it as a scarecrow. Look at that. That's a fun craft. Wasn't this fun? Super easy to make, super easy to decorate. You can use markers. I used colored paper. See, I just cut out colored paper and glued it on all in place. But you can decorate this however you like and hang them up. Maybe do a bunch of them. I don't know, that would be really fun. And decorate them in all different colors. This one is a really cute design. So I hope you enjoyed making this craft with me. Hey, on your way out, could you do me a favor? Could you hit the like and subscribe button down below? It really helps us. It, gets us out there so that more eyes can see the cool crafts that we make. And let me tell you, without you making those comments, let me know whether you like these crafts or not, or whether you have better ideas for me. It really helps down in the comments below by letting me know what's going on, what you like, what you don't like. I don't care if you don't like it. Tell me something you do like, and maybe we'll do that next time, all right? I love your feedback, so everything I do here on YouTube is thanks to you. I love you all. This is Matthew Reinhardt saying, be kind to a stranger, please. Think creatively. You can think your way out of anything if you really put your mind to it, and keep it poppin'. Bye-bye. Happy Halloween. It's coming.